Financial education is the combination of knowledge and skills that enables an individual to make informed and effective decisions with all their financial resources. It is also called financial literacy, and it puts you 0 ahead of other people in your life. If you don't have the money you want in your life, you are most likely seeking financial freedom and financial independence. This means that at some point in your life, you will be able to live without being dependent on family, a job, or a company you don't like for money. Isn't that nice to imagine? But there is another concept you need to understand: financial confidence. This is different from financial freedom because freedom is based on the amount of money you have, whereas financial confidence is based on your confidence and ability to generate money. People often think it is impossible to make more money, but this is a deep hypnosis. The second one tries to spend the money they win from lotteries and gambling immediately, and they quickly go back to their old life. The truth is that the world is full of money, but only those with knowledge and skill can get it. If you play the game according to the rules, you will become the master of your financial life, and before you know it, you will be the boss. Guaranteed. I believe that these simple rules will take your money game to a new level, a level you have never seen before if you are ambitious and obsessed. Unfortunately, they don't give this kind of training in schools. Their aim is to make you a modern slave. Anyway, that's why you have to do it yourself. You can access all the information on the internet, and that raises the question: why don't people learn more about finance? There are two main reasons why people don't get the necessary financial education. This information is extremely cheap and in some cases completely free. So let's move on to 5 important reasons. Reason 1. Conventional wisdom. The truth is that financial education often falls outside of what is traditionally accepted as true. Most people instill in you a poverty mentality, and if you are impressionable, you will never be able to attract money with this mindset. For example, as a child, your parents may have told you that making money is hard, or that too much money leads to bad behavior. This kind of misinformation hinders people's potential financially. Another misunderstood traditional concept is the negative attitude towards debt. Debt is not so bad when used correctly, but many people view it negatively because they are not properly educated. So don't listen to people who don't know about finance. You should listen to people who really know how to make money because they can give you tips on how to become financially educated. In a sport, for example, swimming, you don't want to learn how to swim from someone who has never swum. You want to learn from someone who already knows. When you apply this approach to your financial education, you learn very quickly. Reason 2, comfort zone and self-esteem. There's a belief among the rich that to make money, you have to be confident and have enough self-esteem. Self-image is important, and first you have to believe that you really deserve to be richer and happier. If you don't believe that, you will never achieve the financial freedom you have wanted all your life. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You must first see yourself as rich. This secure, charismatic, and wealthy image that you create in your mind will give you the confidence to consistently step out of your comfort zone, which is very important. A very successful businessman once said, "Most people don't succeed because they are afraid of success." This is true. To be successful, you have to go outside your comfort zone and take risks. Unless you take risks, being rich remains a dream. In short, you have to get rid of the addiction to procrastination and laziness. If you want to be rich and you don't have any money, you have to take risks like getting a loan from the bank and going into thousands of dollars of debt. But everyone is afraid to do that. It is out of the comfort zone of many people. If you don't have the confidence to take action, you will never get rich. So before you get a financial education, you have to work with yourself and your mind about risk-taking and failure. So if you can control your mind, the rest will follow. Reason 3. Think rich. Thinking rich means seeing yourself as rich and acting like rich. Essentially, you are playing the role of a rich person, and this can mean living above your budget. Living below your budget is a defensive concept invented by financial experts and is mostly considered sound information. That is, we should not live far beyond what we can afford, as this causes many to face serious financial problems. But as long as you are disciplined and smart about what you do with your money, you should also spend money on things that give you confidence and make you feel good. Do you think you will get rich by constantly shopping in big malls? Instead of spending money all the time, focus on things that create opportunities for you. Stop living below your budget and start learning new skills now that will support the lifestyle you want. This trick will have a huge impact on your mindset. You will be able to easily analyze and see opportunities and places where you can make money. If you think like a rich person and take action and do everything right, who can stop you? The answer is very simple: no one. Let's move on to reason 4. Reason 4, develop skills to build wealth. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, whereas liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Your brain is your greatest asset, and you should continue to strive to improve it to make it more valuable. There are skills that are in high demand in the market, and they have two things in common. They provide great value to the market. They make you a lot of money. So instead of working for someone else, develop skills that will provide you with income even while you sleep. Develop skills where you can generate income by delivering market results. Identify the best fit for your competencies and develop your first high-income generating skills in order to gain the necessary resources to acquire more assets. Reason 5, financial discipline and planning. Financial discipline and planning are the inseparable duo of personal financial management, and you will definitely achieve financial success if you persevere patiently over the long term. Financial discipline consists of items such as budget management and expense tracking. But are you able to integrate financial discipline into your life? Let's talk about planning. Financial planning includes items such as goal setting, emergency funds, tax planning. It starts with an assessment of the current financial situation. It is realized by analyzing income and expenses in detail and taking inventory of assets and liabilities. Based on this information, if individuals or organizations want to achieve their future financial goals, they need to determine appropriate strategies for themselves. In this financial education video, I tried to help you as much as I could. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my other video.